Hey, it's Stu. How you doing? Welcome to Paramus. I'm so excited, and you know what? I'm extra excited because guess who's helping us? Look at our great butchers. One of the best ones. This is our only female butcher, Stu Genesis. How you doing, baby?
Hi,
Okay. How about can you give me a nice, juicy porterhouse steak?
Yes, I can.
Okay, check this out.
Filet.
Look at that, huh? Porterhouse. And that is two steaks in one, right?
Yes, I cut it in half. You want two?
Strip steak, porterhouse. I mean the fillet.
Yep.
Okay, two steaks in one. Check this. How thick is
2
that?
inches.
Oh, baby, inch and a half. You got it, okay? All right. And that's from our ranches right out in the Midwest. So much. Look at that.
Have a great
All right,
day.
how's that? Hey, Genesis, how long would you cook that on the grill? Would you say?
For myself, I like it well done. I do about 20, 25 minutes.
Okay, and like probably not a burning hot grill.
No, definitely not. You can sear the outside 2 minutes and then turn it on low.
Okay. All right, good. Now, here's what's cool about Paramus. Look at it. I get to do this. I get to walk through the aisle. How you doing today? Look at this. If I wanted to, look, we got some green beans almondine. We got mashed potatoes. I could do French vegetables. Here's one of my favorite things I gotta say. As you know, we have our Water Safety Foundation. And this is great here to our thing for Stu Leonard's, and we're happy to have Stu join us at the Paramus store. Look what we have here. Hi there, how you doing today? I can take my steak, okay, and come right over here and look, we have a delicious wine, Silver Oak, one of the greatest producers out in Napa Valley. But you know, I don't want to spend that much money, even though we have fine wines. Oh, look. Hey, ma'am, can you come over here? Hold on. Hey, aren't the wine people we have fantastic here? By the way, let me introduce you to my wife, Kim, of 36 years. She's a certified wine expert. Kim, look what I have for dinner tonight.
Oh, great.
Okay, what do you recommend?
Well, you can do a Cabernet, the Smith & Son,
Okay, that's Smith & Son.
Alexander Valley.
Under 20 bucks. Delicious California right there. We know the vineyard out there when we get this from. Sell a lot of it. So let's do it. What do you
Okay,
think?
great.
Okay, we're set. We got our Cabernet. We got our wine. And look at this. Look at this store. Is this cool? Check it out. I'm a happy guy today, okay? And thank you to everybody out there. And thanks for shopping at Stu's.